Good day, my dear classmates and future graduates. First of all, congratulations. You're almost at the finish line of senior high school, and soon you'll be stepping into the next big chapter of your life. The choices you make now will shape your future, and today I'm here to standing in front of you to share something very important. We are about to graduate and choose our future paths. I want to invite you to consider becoming a teacher. Yes, you can be a teacher, a hero in your own special way. You might ask, why teaching? Let me tell you, teachers are not just workers. They are nation builders, life changers, and heroes without capes. Teaching is more than a job. It's a calling. Soon, you will choose what course to take in college. I hope you think about becoming a teacher. Yes, being a teacher is one of the best choices you can make. Why? Because teachers are heroes. They help children learn how to read, write, count, and dream. They guide students to become good and smart people. Every doctor, nurse, engineer, and pilot had a teacher first. Without teachers, there would be no other professionals. Many of us dream of becoming doctors, engineers, or business owners, but not many people dream of becoming a teacher. That is why we are here to open your heart and minds, because the truth is teaching is a beautiful and powerful profession. Teaching can change your life and other lives of many others. Teachers are the ones who help build the future. Every professional today started as a student. Behind, behind every successful person is a hardworking teacher. They are the first people who help shape minds and dreams. So, when you become a teacher, you are the builder building the next generations. The 1987 Philippines Constitution says something very important about teachers. It said that the government should give the highest budget to education. This is to make sure that teachers are paid well and supported. It also says teachers should have a chance to grow in their profession. This means the law values teaching and wants the best for our teachers. Being a teacher is not just a job, it is a respected role. The law gives teachers especially protection and honor. Under Commonwealth Act 578, teachers are called persons in authority. This means they must be respected and protected, especially inside the school. The law sees them as leaders in the classroom and community. Teachers also have law called the Magna Carta for Public School Teacher, or RA 4670. This law gives teachers many rights and benefits. It helps teachers feel safe and happy in their work. It ensures that they are treated fairly and given support. Let me know, share some of the amazing benefits teachers receive. First, teachers get a good salary that increases over time. They also get extra allowances like clothing and hazard pay. Teachers in public schools receive medical care and insurance. They get paid vacation during summer and holidays. Plus, when they retire, they receive retirement pay and benefits. Teachers also have job security. Once they are hired, they cannot just be removed without a strong reason. This means their job is stable and safe. As long as they do their duties, they can teach for many years. This is a great help to teachers and their family. If you become a teacher, you can also enjoy study leaves. This means you can continue learning while you teach. The government supports teachers who want to take master's or doctorate degrees. You will grow and become better in your career. You will never stop learning and improving. Teachers also work in a balanced schedule. They work during the day and rest at night. They have weekends and holidays off. This gives them time for family, hobbies, or even small businesses. Teaching gives you time for both work and personal life. One of the most beautiful things about teaching is the chance to inspire. You are not just teaching lessons, you are touching hearts. You can change the life of a child with your kindness and care. Many students look up to their teachers as their second parents. You can be that person they will never forget. There is also a high demand for teachers today. All over the Philippines, schools need good and qualified teachers. Even in other countries, Filipino teachers are being hired. This means you will not have a hard time finding a job. Teaching is a profession with many doors of opportunity. Teachers are also very important in their communities. People trust and listen to teachers. They are invited to speak in events and help solve problems. Teachers are known as role models in the barangay. As a teacher, you can help not just students, but your whole community. Some people think teachers earn little, but that is not true. With the right experience, degrees, and trainings, teachers can earn well. They can also be promoted to higher positions like principal or supervisor. The Department of Education also gives bonuses and incentives. You just need to work hard and continue learning. Teaching also makes you a better person. You become more patient, kind, and understanding. You learn how to deal with different kinds of people. You learn to listen, help, and guide others. It is not just students who grow, you grow too. Being a teacher is like planting seeds every day. You may not see the fruit right away, but it will come years later. Your student will thank you. Some may become professionals and say, because of my teacher, I succeeded. That is one of the greatest joys a person can feel. Right now, our country needs more passionate teachers. We need teachers who love children and love learning. We need people who want to make a difference. That is someone could be you. You have the power to help cha- change lives. So, if you are still thinking about what to take in college, consider teacher education. It may not be easy, but it is worth it. You will never regret choosing a career that gives back. Every day, you will wake up knowing you have a purpose. Teaching is truly a gift and a calling. Before I end, let me remind you teachers are heroes. They work quickly, but their impact is loud and strong. They are respected, supported, and protected by the law. They enjoy many benefits, changes to grow, and job security. And most of all, they are loved by their students. So, if you have a kind heart and love for helping others, think about becoming a teacher. You will touch lives, guide young minds, and make a big difference in the world. Teachers are respected, protected, and supported by the law and by our government. It, it's not just a job, it's a mission, a passion, and lifelong gift to others. Be a teacher, be a hero, and be a proud. Thank you and may you choosing a path that brings meaning, and joy to your life. We need more teachers like you. Let us build the future together. Let us teach with love. Be a teacher, be proud. So, my dear becoming college students, I encourage you become a teacher. Take the path of purpose, meaning, and love. Thank you so much, and may your future be bright and full of meaning.